Hello, this is Chuck from Advanced Waterfall Systems. I am here with Kevin Fleming from Liquid Design. We worked on this amazing grotto project and pool together using our AWS systems. The job is done. It came out amazing. Kevin, tell us what you think about how the project came out.
We couldn't be happier. I had a concept with the client about creating this great naturalistic look in a more of a Mediterranean house. There was a lot of discussion if that was all going to work together. But once we got the concept down and I went to Chuck to say, hey, this is the grotto and the waterfall and the steps we want to build, him and his team did an amazing job making this waterfall section come to life. It was really interesting. I had worked with Chuck in the past where he built the waterfalls from scratch on site. And the amazing part about this system is once we went to contract on the job, he built a lot of the components in his facilities, his shops, and brought them to the site and put them together on the site, which really reduced the amount of time it took to do the project. He had it up and looking like something in a day, and within a week it was completely done.
Yeah, that's one of the awesome parts about it. This job would normally take 3 or 4 weeks to build from scratch. So it was reduced to like somewhere between 1 and 2 weeks from beginning to end. So it limited the disruption on the project, sped the project up because once we were done, they could move on to the next phase. These systems are tested in our shop to make sure that they don't leak and make sure that when the water is flowing, that the water flows beautifully.
I mean, the homeowner was blown away. There's always that, wow, I'm spending all this money, what am I really getting? They really don't understand during the process of all these months that go by of construction what it's going to be in the end. But when it was all done, he's overwhelmingly happy with how everything came out and said it is beyond what he expected.
Well, that's awesome. So another happy client. It was great working with you, Kevin. Looking forward to do more projects in the future. Stay tuned for more content around AWS systems.